We'll guide you through how to add font in WPS Office PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to customize their documents with unique fonts that are not available by default. It helps students, designers, and content creators make their work look more creative and professional. Many users also need simple guidance on downloading, installing, and using new fonts in WPS Office correctly. To begin, open Windows on your computer so you can access your desktop and installed applications. Next, click on Google Chrome from your desktop or taskbar to launch your web browser. Once the browser is open, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀 into the address bar and press Enter to search for the website. From the results, go to the 𝗕𝘂𝘀 website to access its font library. Browse through the available options and choose the font you want to download. For this example, select the old school font menu to narrow down your choices. Then, locate and select the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 font from the list. After choosing it, click the download button to start downloading the file. Once the download is complete, open the file from your downloads folder. You will notice that the font is saved as a zip file. Right-click on this zip file and select the extract option to unpack its contents. After extracting, open the newly created folder to view the files inside. Find the font file, usually labeled as an open-type font file, then right-click on it to see more options. From the menu, click Install for all users to install the font on your system. Once the installation is finished, open Windows again and launch the WPS Office application on your laptop. After it opens, click the plus icon to create a new document. Select Docs as an example, then choose a blank document to start editing. Inside the editor, go to the Font Settings section to manage your text styles. Finally, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 in the font search bar to confirm that the font has been successfully installed and is ready to use in your document. If the font appears in the list, you can select it and start typing with the new style immediately. This confirms that the installation process was successful and the font is properly integrated into WPS Office.